So today I'm going to be talking about this will be a case study of one of my projects, one of the ebook projects. I'll show you what I was provided with from my client and how I transformed it into an ebook. And I'll later explain my designing process. So what I was given was this Google document, how do you make kombucha for beginners? And as you can see, it's a simple Google Docs with all the content and all the information. And it is, I believe, 4 pages long with images. And what it comes down to, I read through the content and organize it in a way so that the design fits. And of course, we're going to have a session where we talk about what design she wants, what are the logos and such. So let me show you what the ebook ends up looking like. This is a quick walkthrough of all the pages real quick. How do you make kombucha for beginners? This is the introduction text, the recipe and prep work, the directions, more instructions, tracking and brewing, and this is her call to action page because she is selling these sleeves, so then I highlighted them. So let me start explaining. So as you see in the beginning, that's where the beginner head text, the beginning was shown here. And I divide the text into ingredients, prep work as she has it, but more visually appealing. So let me just talk about the overall design. The first thing that I do is create the title page. She didn't provide me a title page and I designed it, and that determines the style for the rest of the ebook. So I like to work on that first. And as you can see, I like to maintain their logo and their brand throughout most of the ebook. And I created a website. I attached their website at the bottom because no matter what page they're on, they can always go to their website. And at the end, there's a call to action button. So in this ebook, I decided to go more with photos rather than graphics. So what I mean by photos is these real life images rather than these are graphics. For most of my designs, I actually prefer graphics because it gives a fun, playful vibe to it. But in this case, this is an actual product, which if you were to have an actual product, I feel like it would fit more, especially if it's a recipe. Because it's like, why would you have a fake orange if you can just put an image of a real orange, especially if you're making cake or a recipe. So this is what I went with. I wanted more of, not so much a super playful, but more professional. As you can see, I normally create subsections with the ingredients, the prep work, and I chose this font because I wanted to go for professionalism again, rather than different fonts. And yeah, and at the end, I definitely wanted to highlight their product that they were selling. So I have temperature regulation and exposure, and I pointed it towards the item. And this is a lead magnet for them to use forever and send it to whoever they would like. So I hope this was helpful. This is just an overview of what I've created and how a simple document like this can be transformed to looking like this. Because wouldn't you rather send this over to your clients or your customers and just makes your brand look more professional and trustworthy, professional. And yeah, okay. So I hope you like this video. This is the most recent project, but I will definitely be posting more of the projects that I've created. Thank you.